The best 4K and 1080p projectors cost a pretty penny, but the benefits of high-definition projectors quickly become apparent when you see what kind of picture is available from a relatively small box. In this video we will look at some of the best 4K and 1080p projectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description box below. Number 1. BenQ HT3550 4K. BenQ makes really great projectors, and that's true here in the BenQ HT3550. This projector offers truly great color accuracy. It's tuned in the factory for the best color output you can find, and it shows right out of the box. The BenQ is a great 4K find at just under $1,500, which is really low for a 4K projector. Our tester found that its 2200 lumens were quite bright enough for broad daylight, which can be challenging for many projectors. Unfortunately, slow is a bit of a theme for this projector, since our tester also noted slow boot up and shut down times. Maybe that won't bother you if you have a few extra seconds on each end. But we also noted a bit of lag when it comes to gaming. Single-player games run just fine, but when you get into a multiplayer setting, and especially a competitive setting, the 50 ms of input lag can affect your overall performance. If you're not into online gaming or battle royals, that probably won't make much of a difference to you. Given its price, we consider that to be an acceptable compromise. But if you're a competitive gamer, you'll want something with much lower latency. Number 2. Epson Home Cinema 2040. If your budget doesn't fit the 4K lifestyle, 1080p still is really good. And the Epson Home Cinema 2040 delivers just that for a good price. Its screen size ranges from 90 inches to 134 inches, depending on placement, so your movies will be totally immersive. At 2200 lumens, the projector delivers a bright, crisp picture, even in rooms with some ambient light. The projector also comes with an eco mode, which will lower your power usage and lengthen your lamp life, which is good because 4000 hours is not terribly impressive lamp life. The projector also has a ton of inputs and outputs with 2 MD, 1 RCA, composite, 2 RCA, 1 audio, and 1 Liter/R stereo, VGA, and USB Type A. You can input from basically anything. The projector delivers all this at just a whisper quiet 37 dB. For reference, 30 dB is a quiet rural countryside. The Home Cinema 2040 projector brings the big screen home, delivering full HD 1080p entertainment. This portable performer delivers up to 35,000:1 dynamic contrast ratio, advanced image processing, plus 2200 lumens of color brightness and 2200 lumens of white brightness. Enjoy movies, games and more with 2 HDMI ports and MHL connectivity. Connect your Blu-ray disc player, gaming console or streaming device, and project up to 300-inch virtually anywhere. Number 3. BenQ HT2150ST. Movies and boardroom presentations aren't the only use for projectors. Let's talk about gaming. If you want to get your game on in high resolution, the BenQ HT2150ST is for you. This projector boasts a 15,000:1 contrast ratio for great detail in darker scenes. Plus, the 2200 lumens will work in just about any room, even one that sees light from the outside. But most of all, this projector was built for gaming, with low input lag from your game system and controllers. That's key when you're gaming. This is a short throw projector, which means it can fill up to a 100-inch screen from just under 5 feet away. That's a ton of coverage and versatility, meaning you can use this projector in any tight space, including a bedroom or a dorm room. One minor issue is a slight variance in luminance from edge to edge of the screen. During normal use, it's hard to see, but in our testing, it became pretty clear. All the same, our reviewer considers it a minor issue, but still one worth mentioning. Number 4. Samsung the Premier 4K UHD. This projector can be described in just one word: wow. This projector has all the bells and whistles you could ask for in an entertainment system. This is an ultra-short throw projector, which means it can fill a wall only inches away. The projector is 4K UHD with a triple laser projection system. It has built-in surround sound, and it's a smart TV as well. This projector is powered by Tizen, Samsung's homegrown operating system, and has all the apps you could need. Plus, you can choose any of 3 digital assistants to use: Bixby, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Of course, all that wow comes at a price. It's a very high price and, in fact, is the highest on this list, which already has several 4-figure prices. But, for a device with such a low profile that it almost melts into the furniture, you'll get a ton of quality and one of the best projection experiences you can buy, short of a full movie theater. Cutting-edge triple laser technology and ultra-bright 4K resolution deliver heightened contrast and impeccable detail with 2800 lumens. This compact projector turns any room into a home theater. Ultra-short throw technology allows the Premier to be placed inches from the wall while delivering an incredible picture. Number 5. Anker NEBULA Mars 2 Pro 500. Our last entry is by far the most portable of the bunch. It even has a convenient handle on the top. The projector scales up from 30 inches to 150 inches, but, unfortunately, only at 720p and only at 500 lumens. Keep this projector in a dark room. You can use your smartphone to control the projector, which makes it more versatile than others. One of the best parts about this projector is the installed Android operating system. It's Android 7.1, which is outdated, but brings along app functionality like a smart TV. Those apps allow you to stream content to your projector without connecting to anything. But with as low resolution and brightness as this projector offers, it costs too much to justify. DLP IntelliBright technology projects a radiant 500 ANSI lumen image at razor-sharp 720p for breathtaking video clarity. Dual 10 watts audio drivers work together to deliver sensational sound and deep, resonant bass for a truly immersive outdoor projector movie experience. Plug and play your favorite HDMI and USB 2.0 devices, including laptops, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and more.